So if you are running a service-based website or you are a freelancer and you want to implement a appointment booking system in your WordPress website, well, follow this video. I will show you how you can use this plugin to set it up properly. So here in this video, I'm going to review the BookingPress plugin. What are the features that you will get on this plugin? So it comes with both free and pro version. So you can see the pro version starts with $89. So let's check how this looks in the front end. So whenever a user land on your web page, they will see a page like this. So you can see the demo here. So let me scroll down, and as you can see, you can list different services like this, and you can set a price here. And let me scroll down, and here is the book your appointment section. So you can see you can list out different category wise bookings. Let's say I want to book, I will click on here. Now they can add some extension as well, and then they can select their quantity, and let's click on continue. Now they can select their staff. So some of the features may be in pro version. So free version have limited options, but in free version you can get unlimited bookings. So there is no restrictions on that. So that is a good features of BookingPress. So you will get a lot of features for free, and you will also get some premium options like staff member. So let me select this. Now you can set the date and set the time slot. Now you can see the add to cart. Now let's click on next. Now you need to enter all your details, and let's click on summary. And here you can pay locally, so you can pay directly to your client, or you can pay through PayPal or Stripe like this, and you can book your appointment. So this is how the booking system works. So once you book this appointment, you will need to go to my bookings, and here user can see all their bookings. They can see their packages as well. They can edit their accounts, and they can change their password. Now let's check how the backend looks like. So there are two admin options. One is your staff member admin panel, and one is the admin demo. So let me click on admin demo here. So this is the dashboard of BookingPress. So you can see all the total number of appointments, total number of approved appointments, and the revenue. And you can select between the timeline, and you can see the charts here. Now let's click on calendar, and here you can see all the staff members and bookings. So it will show the booking. So if someone place order in 13, then a booking will show up here like this. And here you can see the staff member individually. You can see the appointments here. And the best thing about BookingPress is that you can manually add your appointments as well. So you can click on add new and add a booking manually like this. And you can see all the bookings here in this tab. Now let's click on payments tab. So either they can payment you directly or payment through PayPal or Stripe. So you can see, you will see list of payments. So you can select this option, pay locally. So they have to make the payments and send you the invoice copy, and then you can change the status from pending to paid, and you can allow refund as well. So this is how this payment dashboard. Let's click on customer, and here you can see all the customers, customer name, email address, phone number, and recent appointment and total number of appointment as well. Now let's click on services. So here you can list out all of your services. So here you can list out all of your services. You can set the duration, price, and you can edit it here. So you can set the service name. You can add it in a category. So you can see, if you go to the front-end demo, you will see there are different type of category wise bookings. And as you can see, we have different category wise bookings like haircut, hair color, beard style, hair care. So you can set all these categories here. Here in the category section, you can add new category, and you can set the pricing as well, set the duration, minimum capacity, maximum capacity, and you can add your service description, and you can set the service start expiration date like this. And deposit type, percentage, deposit amount, and extra services. If you want to give extra services on this service, then you can list out all this here, and you can add different type of options. You can list out your members providing these services. So all these options are there, and here you can create different type of coupons to give discount to your customer. So you can see we have flat 15 for 15% discount, and you can set an expiration date as well, and you can limit on which services this coupon code will work. And you can see all the reports. So you can see the appointment reports, total number of appointments, revenue report, customer reports. Now you can customize your experience, like you can customize your forms, you can change its color and all these things. So you can change your fonts, color, and pricing, button text, font size, and etc. Now let's click on settings, and here you will see the general settings, like you can set the default service duration, default time slot, and you can set the company details, notification, working hours. So you can set your working hours here, and you can set holidays, special days, like this, and you can add breaks. Suppose you want to give your services from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. then you can add a break at the time. Let's say I want to take a break at 12 p.m. and I will again start after 2 p.m. So I will select 2 p.m. So I will add a break from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. and the appointment will accept from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So you can see all these options. So all the customizations options are there. So let's install the BookingPress in our website and see how it goes. So for this, let me click on dashboard. So I will include the BookingPress link in the description. So make sure to click on this, and here you can download the free version to test it out, and you can upgrade to pro version by clicking on the buy now button. So for now, let me download the free version first, and then we can upgrade it to the pro version. Alright, the free version is downloaded. Now let's go to our dashboard and let's click on plugin. Now let's click on add plugin. Let's click on upload plugin. Now you need to select the file that you have just downloaded. Let's click on install now. Alright, the BookingPress plugin is now downloaded. Let's click on activate plugin, and you will see a new option, BookingPress. Just click on that, and here you will see a set of pages like this. So you can add your company name. So let me add my company name here, and you can add your address as well, and you can set the time format 12 hour or 24 hour, and you can add your phone number. You can select your country. You can add your website URL. So let me add this here. You can upload a logo as well, and let's click on next. Now you can set the default working hours. So you can set 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or you can set like 6:30 p.m. So you can set it up like this, and you can add some of the days as op. You can set your currency to US dollar or INR. So let's keep it US dollar for now. Let's click on next. Now you can add your services. So let me add my first services, SEO consultant. Let me set the price to 30. So you can add your description here. Now you can add more services. So let me click on plus, and I will set like website migration. Let me set the price to $40. You can set the duration here. So let me set it to 60 minutes. Let's click on next. Now you can set your brand font and font color like this. So let's click on finish. Now you will see some options. So let me click on here. This is the booking URL. So let me open it in a new tab. And as you can see, all my services are now listed. So let me click on SEO consultant. Now you can select the time here. Now I can set the time slot. Now I can enter my first name, last name, email address, phone number, and I can add some notes. And let's click on next. Your appointment booking summary. So you can see, let's click on book appointment. Alright, your client booking is complete. They can add the booking to their Google Calendar as well. So it will automatically set the service and all these dates like this to Google Calendar. Now let's check the backend. And as you can see, you will see all the appointments here in this tab. You can change the status to approved once you receive the payments from your client. And here you can see the payment methods, pay locally, and you can change the status from pending to paid. You can click on settings. Here scroll down, click on payments, and you can set the currency here, and you can enable PayPal as well, so that your users can pay you through PayPal. You can set it as live. You can add your merchant email address, API username, password, and API signature, or you can use the pop-up version where you need to put your PayPal client ID and client secret, and the PayPal will be integrated to your website. After that, you can accept payments from your client using PayPal as well. So there are various payment methods. So in free version, you can accept PayPal. In pro version, you can get payment from different methods like Stripe and other payment methods like Ledger Pay. So let's install the premium add-ons here. So for this, let me click on plugins, add plugins. Let me download the premium plugin from my dashboard. Let's click on download. So you can see the pricing of BookingPress here. So the free plan, you will get unlimited website and unlimited appointments. And if you go with the standard plan, then you will get updates, and you will see you can use it on one website. You will get premium support, and you will also have access to all payment gateway. So you can see EasyPay, PayPal, and Paystack, CC Avenue, Skrill, PayUmoney, and all these options, Razorpay, WooCommerce, Square. So all these payment gateway will be available to use on standard plan. And if you go with the professional plan, then you can use it up to 3 websites. And that is an enterprise plan for large agencies where you can use it up to 20 sites. So here with you will get some additional add-ons as well. So let's click on add-ons. So with BookingPress Pro, you will get some add-ons like you can collect tax, you can generate invoice, you can add card add-ons, you can offer services extra that you have discussed in the beginning of the video. You can add staff members, you can generate coupon code, deposit payments, multiple quantity, happy hour pricing. So all these options, tip, service package, location, recurring appointments. So all these options are there in the premium versions. So you can see the payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, and Braintree on all these options. And you can also integrate with different plugins, Google Calendar, Microsoft Team integration, Zapier, MailChimp, and all these options are there like WhatsApp notification, Telegram notifications. So once they book your appointments, you can send a notification through WhatsApp, Telegram. You can integrate Google reCAPTCHA. So premium version is good. You will get a lot of add-ons plugins with the premium version. So let's go to our dashboard and let's upload the premium plugin. Let's activate it. Let's go to BookingPress. Let's click on license, and you need to select your package and you need to enter your license key. So let me copy the license key. All right, the license key is now activated. Now let's click on service tab, and you can unlock all these options. So you can add your services in different categories. So this is available in free version as well. And here you can see all the reports. We have already discussed all these features. Now let's click on more and let's click on add-ons. Let's add some of the add-ons. So let me click on tip. Now you can download your add-ons plugins from here. So let's click on next. And here is the tip add-on. So let me download it. Let me download this Stripe payment gateway add-on as well. So you can download add-ons depending upon your requirements. So if you want to integrate Stripe, then you can download the Stripe add-ons from your BookingPress dashboard. So let's activate the Stripe payment gateway add-ons. Now let's go to BookingPress and let's go to settings. Let's click on the payments tab, and you can see this new Stripe option is there. Now you can enable Stripe payment gateway like this. So you can accept tips as well from your customer. You can also manage your notifications. So let's click on more. Let's click on notification. So here you can send customized emails to your customer. So you can see on approval, on pending, on rejection, and share appointment URL. So you can share your appointment URLs to your customer. So all these emails will be automatically sent. You can issue refund to your customer. So you can customize all these, and you can use predefined shortcodes so that it will fetch the data from that customer. So you have all the options. So I strongly recommend that you should try out the BookingPress plugin. So it is an amazing plugin to book different type of services, book appointments through your WordPress dashboard. So let me know what is your experience with the BookingPress plugin, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and I will include the link of this plugin in the description. Just download it and use it on your website. Thank you. Bye bye.